Here's what I'm gonna say to Cap Nino Barsaga. You know, Cap Nino Barsaga and Sangkay Janjan. At least you see Teacher Evelyn and Teacher May Tiburcio, they left the Marcos loyalist. They realize the Aquino family, even Chris Aquino, that her son, you remember that son, Josh Aquino? He's also a special child. He has autism. I'm urging to those idiot Marcos loyalists. Ah, I'm just warning to all of you. Here's my criticism against all of you. Please, all of you, respect Aquino family. Like I just told to Mommy Ellen Olea, even I say to her, I told to Mommy Ellen Olea do not criticize Cory Aquino. She is grandmother of Joshua Aquino Salvador. Why he was a grandfather? Of course, that was his grandfather. Oh, I mean grandmother. Sorry, his grandfather is Ninoy. Oh, of course, you know Ninoy Aquino, grandfather of Josh Aquino. Oh, the grandmother of 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 of, of Josh Aquino is Cory Aquino. Oh, I'm just gonna say to all of you, do not bully the Aquino family. You know, everyone who have a son who has autism. Like I was told by Jerick Silva, um, last night we discussed about Josh Aquino who has autism. Because I know Josh Aquino who is autism. Oh, like those idiot Marcos loyalists who wants to bash Aquino, even the Duterte family. They have they're fighting for. I know the Duterte family are anti-Marcos too. They are pro-Cory. Like I say to Mommy Ellen Olea, Mommy Ellen Olea, with all due respect, you should never criticize the Aquino family if you're a former Marcos loyalist. I say to her, the Aquino family, they're fighting for. Like I said, you see the grandmother of Josh Aquino. Who's the grandmother of Josh? Cory. Oh, and he has a little brother named Bimby, who is normal. Even that mother of Josh Aquino is Chris Aquino. Oh, you do not bash the Aquino family. I know I'm the one who's criticized Noy Noy last 8 years ago. Oh, I know Noy Noy Aquino is also involved. For example, the SAP 44, Tanimbala scam, and mostly he's involved of what's that? Kidapawan massacre. Oh, he regrets his own consequence. Noynoy Aquino, he accepted his consequence. He accepted his fault. Oh, when Noynoy Aquino stepped down in Malacanang, when Rodrigo Duterte replaced Noynoy Aquino, Noynoy Aquino was stepped down and he was replaced by Rodrigo Duterte. Oh, during the time of Rodrigo Duterte, after the anniversary of the fallen 44 of the SAP, after the visit of Pope Francis here in the Philippines. Noynoy Aquino, I remember, he regret his consequence. He accepted his consequence. Oh, what is the option? I say to Sangkay Janjan, ha? He accepted his consequence. Like me, I accepted my consequence, just like Noynoy Aquino. Unlike me, I accepted my consequence for what I did to David Gill. I attacked the church. I bullied the church. And I'm the one who bullied David Gill in personal, or not personal, in online. And I attacked the church of Santa Maria de Estrada. And then, after that, I attacked the teachers in CDIFI. I'm the one who make a fake account of Teacher Gio Malana and Teacher Vincent Ramos. And I'm the one who attacked Teacher Kel, that her boyfriend, Eskel Penumbra. Oh, I know, I'm a former Marcos loyalist. This is my fault too. And now, I'm no longer to be a Marcos loyalist. I'm a pro Duterte. I'm a pro Aquino. Um, Recently, I never want to bash anybody. Oh, I end up bashing. Unlike this Sangkay Janjan and Nino Barsaga, those two imbeciles, oh, they should stop what they're doing. Oh, look at Teacher May Tiburcio. She left the Marcos loyalist. As she said, oh, ayoko na makisali dyan. Oh, you know, maawa ako kay Josh Aquino. Oh, he's also autism. Same as Nicolo. Oh, naaawa. Oh, she understand. At least I removed Teacher May Tiburcio in my enemy list. I understand that. In my enemy list is Nino Bersaga and Sangkay Janjan. You know Sangkay Janjan and Nino Bersaga, both of you will be reflected yourself. You will be happen to Ate Mel Canete and Ate Dina Guillermo. Oh. Both of them are pro-Marcos. Oh, now Teacher May Tiburcio has become anti-Marcos too. Oh, you know, her nephew Rafael realized that Chris Aquino's son, Josh, is also autism. You should never bash the Aquino. Whenever you bash, when you think you're making a blog, I say to Sangkay Janjan and Nino Barsaga, do not bash the Aquino family. That's all. Do not bash them. Do not criticize them. You know, as we are Filipinos, like us, like Teacher Jessa Fernandez said, oh, wag mo batikusin ang mga Aquino. Oh, you know, Luis Cabales, he's advocating autism. He said to me, wag mo batikusin yung anak ni Chris Aquino, si Josh. Because I know Josh Aquino is also autism. You see, Chris Aquino, that was a daughter of Ninoy and Cory. She was appear in the movie of Crazy Rich Asians with Ken Jeong and Awkwafina and Carmen Sue and Michelle Yeoh. Oh, and you see Chris Aquino, she was a star in Feng Shui too, last 2014 with Coco Martin. I know Chris Aquino is also a mother, actress. When she taking care of her son, Josh. Oh, like I said, I know I criticize against those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos. Do not bash the Aquino. Oh, like I told to Cedric Mariano, Cedric, he already stopped bashing Aquino. He realized that Josh Aquino has autism. Yung anak ni Chris Aquino may PWD. Oh, you do not bash Chris Aquino. Oh, me, I never bash. Oh, I respect the Aquino. Just like I said, me, for example, I never vote. I only vote in senator in 2028. I remember it's the close friend of, it was the father of Josh Aquino, or Philip Salvador. But I never criticized the Aquino family, even for Chris. Just like Chris Aquino, I don't want too much negatives against the Aquino. As I am saying, Muslims who were Shia and Sunnis, who were Filipinos, they love Cory Aquino. Oh, Catholics, Christians, Judaisms who were Filipinos, they love Cory Aquino. Oh, Cory Aquino, that was a grandmother of Josh Aquino. I just want to say to all the Filipinos who were dumb, or who were saying, like I said, kayong mga Pilipino, wag kayong maging bobo. Oh, just like what I'm saying in my statement, like I was, Carlos Santos Fernandez, he doesn't like to bash Aquino because he realized Josh Aquino is a special needs. He has autism. This is what Sangkay Janjan and Nino Bersaga makes cyberbullying against the Aquino family. It's not good. Oh, you see that Balsi Aquino, the sister of Chris Aquino, was very happy that Bongbong Marcos is going to be impeached. Oh, you see what really happened. The Aquino and Duterte are close friends. They're allies. They are not allies with the Marcoses. The Marcoses family are acting themselves normal. They want to bully anybody, like Sangkay Janjan and Nino Bersaga. They criticize those people who were anti-Marcos, who were pro-Aquino, pro-Duterte. You see Kitty Duterte, the daughter of Rodrigo Duterte. You see Josh Aquino, the son of Chris Aquino. Oh, that will be ruin their mental health. Like for Sara Duterte, do not bash her. For the sister of Chris Aquino, Balsi Aquino, do not bash her too. Because it will cause a reflection. Oh. Thanks to J. Rick Silva that he told to Cedric, wag mo batikusin ng mga Aquino. Oh. Just like I said, this is for lesson for both of you, Sangkay Janjan and Nino Bersaga. My criticism against both of you, when I accuse both of you, wag ganon. Because Luis Cabales said at the time, maawa ka sa anak ni Chris Aquino. Chris Aquino, that Josh Aquino, he lost his uncle, Noy Noy. He lost his grandmother, Cory. That was his late That was a husband of his late grandfather, Ninoy Aquino o Ninoy o Benigno Aquino Jr. Everyone are pro Aquino, everyone are pro Duterte. You see Ian Martinez, my schoolmate in CDIFI. He's a pro Aquino and pro Duterte. He write the name of Nicolas Sabino, Benigno Aquino Benigno Aquino III, and Ian Martinez, Benigno Aquino Jr. He plays Ninoy. Everyone respect Aquino. And you imagine this in the scene in Martyr Murderer of the movie of Daryl Yap. Oh, even what happened to Maiden Malacanang, the movie of Daryl Yap. Chris Aquino react about that her mother, Cory, even that grandmother, Josh. This will be reflected. Daryl Yap had apologized Aquino family, especially Ninoy, who was portrayed by Isko Moreno, and especially Cory, who was portrayed by Giselle Sanchez. Let's say, do not bash the Aquino family. Oh, like I told to Mami Ellen Olea, Mami Ellen, oh, do not bash the Aquino family, oh. Have mercy to Cory, oh, have mercy to everyone. Just do not bash. Me, I move on with Teacher May. Tiburcio, I don't want to bash her. Oh, I don't want to lash her out. I don't want to insult her. I leave her alone. Hayaan ko na lang siya. That's why. If she's my enemy, I let her be. I understand with Teacher May because I know Teacher May had react that Josh Aquino is also autism. He's just like Nicolo Sabino. Oh, when those people who were bashing Aquino family, who were Marcos loyalists, just leave the Aquino family alone. Leave the Duterte family alone. Do not bash.